birthday! Oh my God! I'm so sorry, wala na naman ako sa birthday mo. Pero, pag umuwi ka ng Pinas, babawi na lang ako sa'yo. Lilibre kita ng dinner. Ayun, so, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa'yo kasi naging blessing ka sa aming lahat. Sobrang sweet mo. Yun yung isa sa mga namimiss ko sa'yo. Yung, ate, tapos iyakap ka sa akin. Ganon. Yun yung mga namimiss ko sa'yo. And, ang wish ko sa'yo is to have that physical and mental strength as you go through college and syempre the adult life. If may times man na nahihirapan ka or kailangan mo ng help sa amin, andito naman kami lagi to guide you, to give you advice, lalo na sobrang kakailanganin mo siya as you go through college. So, academically wise or kung ano man yan, lagi lang kaming nandito to support you. So, ayun, good luck sa college life mo. And hopefully, magkita tayo ulit, either sa Pinas man or sa Qatar. And, ayun, sana matupad lahat ng mga wishes mo, this birthday mo. And, ayun, I miss you, I love you. Miss ko na kayong lahat dyan. Oh my God. See you all so soon. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Nana, happy 18th birthday! I just want to tell you that I'm proud of you and your achievements, and I'm rooting for you even if I am miles away. I may be the fiercest and the most straightforward ate that you ever know, but please know that my heart will be the softest when it comes to you. Being 18 means fighting silent battles every day, but as your ate, I just want to remind you that you have to keep your fire burning. Yan lang. Happy legality. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Diana! We miss you. We love you. God bless you. Yeah, regards.
Hi Diana, happy birthday. Thank you for being a really good friend and a really good teammate. I wish you all the best things in life and always trust the Lord. Happy birthday!
Hi Diana! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best and welcome to the adulthood. Ayun, sana tandaan mo lagi na your parents are still there kahit 18 ka na, and kami mga ate mo, lagi kami nandito para subaybayan ka and to guide you then. And if you have any questions, pwede mo naman kaming i-message kahit malayo man ako or yung mga ibang ate mo, andito ako lagi para sa'yo. I miss you very much and sana maging successful ka kasi I know you're doing your best sa studies, sa volleyball, and ayun, gusto ko na kayong makasama. Enjoy your day. Sana nandyan ako. Have a good day. Have a blast. Bye!
Hi Diana Kamya, ingat lagi and
Hi Diana Kamya, thank you so much for support and I hope to meet you soon. Stay safe and God bless.
happy 18th birthday, Jana Christine. Hope to see you soon. God bless.
Hi Diana, long time no see. Happy birthday sa'yo. I wish you all the best sa inyo ng family niyo and sana enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon and always remember to stay safe and happy. And yun, happy birthday.
Hi Diana, happy 18th birthday. Yun, 18 ka na, madami ka ng responsibilities tsaka priority sa buhay. Wish ko sa'yo matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. And good luck sa school, sa volleyball. Ready ako sumuport dyan. Yan. At piliin mong maging masaya sa buhay kasi pangit nga naman kung puro negative. Kasi mas maganda kung puro positive naman ang sa buhay natin, di ba? Kung may problema ka man, pili mong maging masaya. Tapos kung may problema ka, pwede ka naman magkwento. Nandito ako, handa ako makinig. And kahit hindi pala tayo masyadong nag-uusap, alam kong andyan yung friendship natin. Kasi hindi naman mawawala yun eh. And ayun, mag-iingat ka palagi dyan sa Qatar. And hope to see you soon. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. Happy 18th ulit. Sayang wala ako dyan sa debut mo. Pero sa susunod, malay mo, di ba? Yun lang. Goodbye and I miss you.
Hi Nana, happy birthday to you. Mag-ingat ka lagi and sana makapag-volleyball tayo ulit. Ingat. Hi Nana.
Happy birthday, Nana.
Hi Nana! Happy birthday! Stay beautiful and sweet as you are on your birthday. Okay, God bless. Love you.
Hi Dana, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your day, enjoy your debut, enjoy your celebration there in Qatar. Wish you all the best. Good luck and happy birthday.
Love you. Nana, happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Nana Bear. Your Tita Mau and I were very happy to see you from a little girl, now as a young lady. Being a young lady, we expect you to be a better decision maker, to choose the right from wrong. And as we all know, you're going to college soon. You already have in mind what to take up in college. Whatever path you choose, whatever course you want, we're going to support you. We're going to support you. And if you have suitors around, paalam mo muna kay Kuya Dylan. Si Kuya Dylan mo unang dapat makakaalam kasi kayo ang best of friends ni Kuya Dylan mo. Hindi ka naman siguro pagbabawalan or something. Pero enjoy being a young lady first.
And napaka-blessed mo na for having such a beautiful family and friends. Kaya ipag-pray na lang din namin ng Tito Andre mo that God give you more strength kung makaka-face ka ng any challenges kasi nga grown lady ka na ngayon. And kahit na ano pang maabot mo at maging gaano ka ka-successful sa life, always stay humble and stay your feet grounded. And huwag mong kakalimutan yung faith mo and lagi kang tumawag sa nasa itaas. We love you and we're always here for you. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Diana!
Happy 18th birthday Diana. Good luck sa paglalaro mo ng volleyball. Sana makapaglaro tayo. Ingat dyan palagi. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Diana. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi Diana, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy ka lang sa araw ng birthday mo. I wish na lahat ng mga pangarap mo matupad mo. Alam ko si Ninong marami na utang sa iyo. Almost 18 years na rin. Huwag ka magalala. Pag nakaluwag-luwag na ako, babawi ako sa iyo. Again, happy 18th birthday sa iyo. And ingat palagi and God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Diana. May your 18th birthday be a memorable one and may all your wishes come true. God bless. We love you, Ate Diana.
Happy birthday, Diane. See you soon. Sana mag-ingat kayong palagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Diana. Sige, ingat lang kayo. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Diane. Sana mag-ingat kang palagi dyan. Oh.
Happy birthday, Diana. Now that you're 18, I wish you all the best in life, and I hope that your aspirations and dreams will come true someday, and always find joy and fulfillment in everything you do. Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Diana.
Happy birthday, Diana. We love you. We miss you.
Happy 18th birthday, Nana. Wish you good health and stay healthy. Galingan mo pa ang paglalaro ng volleyball at ang iyong pag-aaral para matupad mo ang iyong mga pinapangarap. I love you, Apo. God bless.
Hi, Nana. Happy birthday, Idol. Mag-aaral ka maigi para sa iyong pangarap. Okay.
Happy 18th birthday, Nana.
Happy birthday, Diana. We love you.
Ano sabi niyo kay Nana?
Nana?
Hi, Nana.
Diana.
Diana ka na.
Diana. Ano dati, Diana?
Diana na pala siya.
May
Diana ka na, di ba? Kasi you're no longer Nana. You're now Diana. Because, why? Kasi 18 ka na.
Why kasi?
You're no longer a child, but now a lady. A beautiful lady.
Baby pa rin siya ng mommy at daddy niya.
Yeah, I know, pero yun lang. Be good girl always. Stay happy and love your parents.
Hi Diana, happy birthday. Dalaga ka na. I can't believe you're 18 already. 18 is a pretty fun age to be. Basta enjoy mo lang. Enjoy mo lang to talaga kasi mabilis talaga lumipas ang panahon. So make memories, have fun, and come back. I miss you and I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Diana. Wishing you a great journey ahead and may all your dreams come true. God bless and hope to see you again soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Diana. Stay pretty and sweet. More blessing and success in your life. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Diana. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Good luck sa school at galingan sa volleyball.
Hi, Nana! Happy 18th birthday! Sorry, wala kami dyan ng ninong mo ngayon.
Pero next time, babawi kami.
Namimiss ka na namin kasama, namimiss na namin yung mga TikTok dancers natin. Dahil dyan, at dahil birthday mo, ang regalo sa'yo ng ninong mo ngayon, sasayaw na lang daw siya.
1, 2, 3, go!
Miss na miss ka na namin, Nana.
Happy birthday!
I love you, Nana.
See you soon!
Stay as sweet as you are. We love you.
Bye!
Happy birthday, Diana. We wish you all the best. Good luck sa school mo and happy birthday again. God bless.
Enjoy every precious moment of your adulthood. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Diana.
Diana.
More birthdays to come. Ingat kayo
Ingat.
palagi dyan, ha?
Ingat palagi. God bless
God
you.
bless you.
Happy birthday, Diana. Hi. Ingat kayo palagi.
Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
God bless.